Maybe if we took a moment long enough to realize how alike we are.